back to Let's Get Fiscal with your host, Richard Merrill. Last month, we completed a strategic planning guide to help us organize our goals and put them into an easy-to-track action plan. Now that you are increasing your revenue and generating cash flow, let's discuss how to organize that information so that you're prepared come tax season. As a free resource, I've included access to a financial projections planner. You're going to use this tool to implement the strategies discussed today. Financial projections are existing financial data to forecast your business's future income and expenses. They often include different scenarios so that you can see how changes to one aspect of your finances might impact the profitability of your business. Now, if you need to create financial projections for your spa business, the free downloadable template provided includes all the tools that you're going to need. But what are financial projections used for? Financial projections are an important business planning tool used for several reasons. If you're starting a business, financial projections help you plan your startup budget. They assess when you can expect the business to become profitable, and they allow you to set benchmarks for achieving those financial goals. If you're already in business, creating financial projections each year can help you set new goals and stay on track. Another use for financial projections is seeking outside financing. Both startups and existing businesses will need financial projection data to convince lenders and investors the potential business growth. Now, what do you need to include in a financial projection document? Well, this financial projections template pulls together several different financial documents, including your startup expenses, payroll costs, sales forecasts, operating expenses, cash flow statements, income statements, a balance sheet to make sure it's all working, as well as a break-even analysis and cost of goods sold. So you can either use this template to create documents from scratch that meet your business needs, or pull in information from documents you've already created. The template also includes a diagnostics tool that you can use to test your numbers in your financial projections. What you want to do is make sure that they're within a reasonable range. Now, all of the areas in this document are really closely related, so as you work on your financial projections, you'll find that changes to one element might affect another. You may want to include a best case and worst case scenario to account for all possibilities in your business. But make sure that you know the assumptions behind your financial projections and that you can explain them to others. Startup business owners often wonder, how do I create financial projections for a business that doesn't even exist yet? Well, financial projections always are an educated guess. To make yours as accurate as possible, you're going to want to do your homework and maybe even get help. You'll use the information that you find while researching your business plan, such as statistics from industry associations, data from government sources like the census, and financials from similar businesses. You will definitely want to connect with an accountant that has experience in our industry, because they're going to be helpful in fine-tuning the financial projections. So you'll also want to connect with business advisors. One will help you with strategies to help grow your business, and one will help you organize the data. Once you complete your financial projections, don't put them away and forget about them. Compare your projections to your actual financial statements on a regular basis to see how well your business is meeting expectations. If your projections turn out to be too optimistic, or maybe too pessimistic, make the necessary adjustments to make them more accurate. The purpose of financial planning is to motivate you to grow your business. And remember, if you have questions during this process, use the comment section. I'll check in every Friday for Fiscal Friday to give you support and advice along the way. Next month, come back to discuss creating an award-winning introductory offer to fill appointments and boost your profits. Until then, have a fiscally fantastic February. See you next month.